welcome to another unboxing. Since our Temu haul is so fun, let's do it again! So we're gonna do another Temu haul. This time, there are 2 packages in here. They got shipped separately. So I guess Temu has like connections here in the US now. So I'm not sure, but I need to check. I think some of them are from the US now, and then some of them, like most of them, are still from China. So let's start the unboxing. Kami mabasa. Let's start with this small one. So we have simple projection screen. For a projector. We found our projector. It's been missing for 3 years and we haven't seen it. It's just somewhere in the storage, so we found it. Now we're gonna test it again. Hopefully it still works fine. But this is the projection screen that we can use. We can bring it in camping, when we're doing camping. Oh, it comes with hooks. Stick-on hooks. This one is 16 by 9. It's a big one. $7. Next we have anti-slip screwdriver assembly. You know this is not mine. It's yours. It's my wife's. Okay. I'm pretty sure there's a use for this. Next is a memory card. I'm not sure if I can trust this. It's 128 gig. For how much?
$1.
$1?
Yeah.
Gano'n na kaya yan?
Gagana ba to? It's called Super Pro. Super Pro? Let's see if it works. So we have, oh, it's a case for Apple, for my wife's Apple Watch. It's $1. Can you open it? It's a protective guard. Lots of tweezers. How much is this?
$2, I think.
$2 for 6 tweezers. Well, it's cute. It's black. So many items for a small bag. Oh, this is for cell phone, for the tripod, or you can put in your cell phone in here. And this one, it's a micro drive. Now this is a,
Yung pambasa.
ang tawag dito? Card reader. Card reader.
I think that's $3.
$3 for a card reader.
What connections does it have?
It has USB, micro SD, and
No, the ones on the side.
SD.
What are they?
okay, thank you for the assistance. So it's USB and USB-C. We're done with the small bag. Let's go to the big one.
Kaya kailangan ng mga backpack natin.
Okay, same thing. We have to be careful when opening the bag because you know you might damage something inside. Okay. Yay! So this one is a Keurig coffee filter. Okay, thank you for the assistance. So, I'm just gonna get all the items from the side and then show you guys. So, first one from the big bag. Coffee filters. Next, we have... So, I remember I purchased some fragile items. So, hopefully they're not broken. Like this one. Yeah, so good thing they store it now in a box and with some kind of protection so it won't be shattered because some of them are glass. Like this one. This one came in the mail a week early. So because I'm excited, so I already opened them. And this one is coffee glass. Oh, kasi it's it's thicker than the one you bought.
How much is that?
This is free. So, remember when I told you that I got tempted with the $90 credit? All of these items are from the $90 credit. So, aside from the $90 credit, I get like 2 free. So, this is one. Okay, so another free item. Girl mat! This is from, this is for your car. For ano ba yan? Sa side pocket or...
Hindi naman nakasulat sa gawin dyan.
Ano yan?
Elements Bagdetry. This is where you can put
Well, this car seat in the middle.
Oh, para
yeah, the
lang.
side of the car seat. You can put it in the side of your car seat where the seatbelt goes.
So there's no like crumbs or...
Yeah, so it's like to fill the gap of the car seat and the middle something.
Console.
Middle, you know. This is I don't know what this is. Oh, where you can put in your loose tea leaves. Let me show you one. Oh. So you put your tea leaves in here. And then put it in your cup. Ah! I'm excited with this one. Because we're going swimming this June. So I need a good pair of water shoes. I hope this is good. I bought this for maybe $7. I forgot. So the sole is good. It's thick, somehow thick. Well, it won't hurt your feet if you accidentally step on a rock or a sharp rock. It has a zipper, which is easier. It's good. It's cute. The color, I like the color. Water shoes. This is another gap filler for the car seat for Bebs. Oh, Odie baby, you wanna model this for me, Odie? This is a raincoat. This time I got the medium because the large is too big. So since Rhodey's a bit smaller than Jihoon, just fluffy. He's just fluffy, but he's a bit short, or he's a bit smaller than Jihoon. So I got him medium. It's cute. Red. You wanna try it on? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, Ate Gabby, this is for our waxing. Since all the wax are stuck in the machine, so it's better to put it in a silicone container, just like this. Yeah, so you can remove it, and once you're done, so old wax will be removed as well. So I bought us a new machine. So let's try it later.
Wax kita.
Maybe.
Kasi na-wax ko na sarili ko.
Sige. So we're gonna try this. So I'll just put it here on the side. Has a free spatula. Look how cute it is. So here's the wax machine. It's already damaged. But that's fine. As long as it works. First it's pink. Just how I like it. Oh no, it's broken!
You can refund it.
Let me borrow your phone so we can take a picture that it's from the box.
No, you don't have to take a picture.
So,
Nilapit mo dun sa box.
Sinira pala.
since it's broken when I got it, so I'm gonna ask for a refund. If you watch my previous video regarding Temu haul, you can just click the item from your recent orders, click the item, and then request refund. So they will refund you. Sometimes I haven't encountered that they ask you to return it or to ship it to them. They usually just refund you and you can keep the item. So, like, I want to show you if this one fits. If this silicone cover fits in this. It doesn't. It does. So let's see. It does. Well,
That works.
this works. This works for me. It's fine. It's just that the top layer, the top one, the top part is not like bending.
Nakabaliktad. No.
Or maybe it's upside down. Oh. Okay. So this is
Ay, ay, ay.
I'm sorry. So this is how it works. Ta-da! It fits! Okay. So I'm gonna ask for a refund and then hopefully I can use it. Okay. Next we have, since I like the paper soap, or the, what did I call it the last time?
Paper soap.
Paper soap or shredded soap? Shredded soap?
Paper soap.
Okay, since I really like it, I bought like 3 of them. It's really good when you're camping remotely. Yeah, you don't have to. It kind of dries your hand a bit, but that's fine. That's what lotions are for, right? I bought lavender and rose. So good. I tried it already. Gabby mentioned the disposable coffee filter, so I bought it this time. Thank you, Gabby.
Or drip coffee.
Or drip coffee. Let me show you one. So what you do is you open this one. There's a guide. You can bring it anywhere as long as you have coffee grounds. Another one, paper soap. This one is mint. Cold. Oh, this one is for Gabby.
Hi.
She likes this so much. So I bought her two. Lashes. Magkano to?
One?
$1?
I think parang $1 lang ata per pair.
This is just $1.
And they're good quality.
And if she likes it, then it's good. Oh, this is from Shenzhen. I've been there. Because it's close to Hong Kong, so you can just ride a train going to Shenzhen. Shenzhen.
Basta yun. China. Pag sa Shopee, nag-order ko dyan din galing yung mga parcel.
This is has some kind of foam, which is good. This is for syrup for my coffee. Yay! They didn't break. With gold trimming. Oh, pang mayaman, guys. Ginto.
Temu, shop like a.
Temu, shop like a billionaire. Temu.
Parang pang-handsome.
Oh, you can put anything in here actually. But I want to put syrup, Torani syrup for my coffee since I love coffee.
Ay, perfect.
Perfect, guys. I like the feel.
Oo, ganun. Tignan mo. Ayaw niya tigilan.
I'm gonna show you my coffee station setup soon. Because I'll do another unboxing of my coffee machine. Next we have box is already a bit damaged, but that's fine. It has a bubble wrap anyway, so which is good. This is a coffee filter holder. So I have a coffee filter in here. Sample. There. So you can just put your coffee filters in here. But they're for this type of coffee filter. Then put it on top of or in your cabinet or in your cupboard or on top of your coffee station. Easily accessible. It doesn't, you know, because some of the coffee filters are in a plastic, in a bag, or in a box. So if the box is damaged, then, and it's also good for aesthetics. And last item, guys. Last item. Forgot what this is. This is, oh, for my coffee station, which will be assembled by my ever dearest. It's a 2-tier shelf. Quality wise, it's a good piece of food. It's thick enough to hold the items, or even bottled items like Tarani, or you know, some heavy items. This is good. So supposedly it goes here and here. I'm pretty happy with my $90 credit with all these items that I bought for free. But of course, I'd like to remind you guys that shop at your own risk. Be careful with clickbaits and false advertisement. Also, expect delays in shipment. You cannot just get it the next day. It usually takes 7 to 10 days. If it's beyond 10 days, Temu will give you $5 credit. And also, this is not a paid promotion. I just do it because, you know, if you guys are curious what we usually purchase in Temu and what deals do they have. So for us, it's fun to buy bargain items. Some of them are a bit disappointing, like the quality and stuff, but it's like 80% good and then 20% not so good. If you're not happy with it, you can just ask for a refund. But all in all, I'm so happy, except for the broken wax cover. But everything is good because, you know, it's free. Okay, so I'm gonna end this vlog now. I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as we did filming it. Until next time, bye!